uniformly varying load. Okay. So, solve by using to find the slope and reflection using double integration method. Using double integration method, this is a uniformly varying load from 0 to W per unit length at fixed point A. Okay. So, length of the beam is L. So, x section x x distance is L x. So, from B to x x section is L minus x. First, to find the load, okay, varying of load. Okay. So, using similar triangle rule, A, B, C, similarly this is A, B, this is point A, this is point C, this is B, and this is okay section point, this is D, this is E. Okay, similar triangle rule A, B, C, similarly B, D, E. Okay, B, D, E. To first find the varying of load using triangle rule, similar triangle rule. So, A, B, C, A, B divided by A, B. Okay. So, A, B divided by A, C equal to B, E divided by D. So, in this A, B length is L, A, C length is W. Okay. At the point end A, C is W equal to B, E is, so B point. So, B, this is the B point. So, L minus x divisions D, E. Okay, D, E is so this is the uniformly varying. Okay. So, D, so D, E equal to W divided by L into L minus x. This is the varying load. Okay. The W is Wx. Okay. Load Wx. So, now take moment about this particular load. So, area is of BH. Okay, this is a triangular. So, of B is at the section x. Okay, L minus to x, L minus x into BH is load WL into L minus x into centroid. Okay, centroid point is L minus x divided by 3. Okay. Now, multiply this one. W minus W divided by 6L into L minus x whole cube. Okay. 6L. Okay. This is the bending moment of RT section XX. Okay. So, next to find to this is the equation 1 to integrating equation 1 with respect to x. Okay. So, bending moment equation for beam is EI minus W divided by 6L to L minus x cube. Okay. So, integration dI dy by dx equal to minus W by 6L into L minus x power 4 4 into x is minus 1 plus c1, okay, equal to w divided by 24 L into L minus x power 4 plus c1. Okay, at point A, boundary condition x equal to 0, slope also 0, okay, divided by dx 0, okay. So 0 equal to w divided by 24 L minus 0 power 4 plus c1. So c1 equal to minus WL divided by 24 EA. So already 24 into L power 4, okay. So this L cancel, okay. So C1 equal to WL cube divided by 24 EA, okay. Next, equation, substitute the value to EI dy by dx equal to WL minus x power 4 divided by 24 L minus WL cube divided by 24. This is a C1. So slope at B x equal to L, okay. So EI theta B equal to x equal to L is 0 minus WL cube divided by 24. So theta B equal to minus 24 L cube divided by 20 L cube divided by 24 EI. Okay. Next, to find the deflection, okay. Deflection of uniform bearing beam. So again integration of dI dy by dx equal to with respect to x, okay. EI y equal to W L minus x, so this equation, okay. Equation integrating with respect to x, WL x power 5 24 into L into minus 1, okay, minus WL cube 24 into x plus C2. EI y equal to, so minus W divided by 24 L into L minus x power 5 minus WL cube divided by 24 x plus C2, okay. Now apply the boundary condition, okay, boundary condition of point B, point A. At point A, okay, x equal to 0, deflection also 0. So fixed point, fixed point. So EI y equal to minus W L minus x is 0 power 5 divided by 24 L, so x is 0 plus C2, so y is 0, so this also 0. So C2 equal to 24, missing one time is here, one time is missing, 24 divided by 6, multiply with 6. Okay, sorry, power 5 multiply with here 5. Okay, so here 120. So C2 equal to W power 4 divided by 120. Okay, this is the value of constant 2. Okay, next substitute the value to the C2 value to this one, this equation. Okay, this equation EIY equal to minus W L minus x power 5 120 L minus W x divided by 24 plus W L power 4 divided by 120 at B x equal to L. So EI reflection at point B, so x equal to 0 minus W L cube into L divided by 24 plus W L power 4 120. EI YB equal to 0 minus 0, so LCM minus WL power 4 divided by 30. So here YB equal to minus WL power 4 30 EI. Okay, YB equal to WL power 4 divided by 30 EI downward direction. Okay, this is the uniform reflection of uniformly varying load. Okay, at point B, reflection at point B. Thank you.